Students, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. In today's class, we are going to learn suffix. Okay, suffix suffix. Suffix. Repeat after me. Suffix. So, what is suffix? Here you can see two words, right? Color and full. Color is a word and full is a combination of three letters, F U L. This is it has no meaning, but it is a word. Okay, it is a combination of three letters. So when you add a word at the end of a meaningful word, it is a suffix. Okay, color, you know what is a color. Okay, full doesn't have a meaning. When you add the word full with the color, it becomes as colorful. You have a new word, colorful. Take the word color and full. Color is a word and full is a word. When you add the word full at the end of the word color, you will get colorful. It is a new word. Color and full, colorful. So like this we can join many words together to form new words. When we join together many words, we will get a new word. What is a suffix? A suffix is a letter combination that is fixed at the end of the word. Here see, color is a word and full is a letter combination of word. Okay, F is a letter, U is a letter, L is a letter. When you combine these three letters, you get a word that is full. So a suffix is a letter combination that is fixed at the end of the word. Color is a word at the end. When you join the word full, you get a new word, colorful. So what is the suffix here? Full is the suffix. Okay, when you add a word at the end, it is called a suffix. The suffixes give a new meaning to the word. Got it? Here they have given some examples. These are suffix. Okay, less, full, at, meant. When we add the suffix less, it gives the meaning without. Here you have an example, toothless. When tooth is a word and when you add less, it gives a new meaning. What is the meaning? It gives the meaning that this boy doesn't have a teeth. So toothless. Got it? So when you add the word less, it gives a meaning without. Toothless. Toothless boy. Cat. Here the next word is care. Care means taking care of others. Okay, but when you add less, it gives a meaning that you doesn't take care of anything. This is a careless boy. This is a careless boy. When you take the word care, it gives the meaning that you are a very careful person. But when you add the suffix less, it gives another meaning that you are not careful. So when you add suffix at the end of the word, it forms a new word and it gives a different meaning. Okay, here full. The next suffix is full. When we add the suffix full, it gives the meaning full of. Joyful, joyful. Joy is a word and when you add the word full, it gives a meaning that you are very happy. Beauty, beauty is a separate word and when you add the suffix full, it gives a meaning that she is very beautiful. Got it? The next suffix is er. When we add the suffix er, it denotes a person who does the action. When you add er at the end of the word, it denotes a person who does the action. Singer. Sing means it is an action and sing, when you add the suffix er at the end of the word, it gives the meaning that he performs the action singing. So singer. Paint is an action, and when you add er at the end of the word, it denotes the person who does the action. The painter paints. So when you add suffix at the end, it gives a different meaning. Okay. The last word is meant. When we add the suffix meant, it denotes the name of the action. Here you have the word judgment. Okay. Judge is a person who works in a court, right? But when you add the suffix meant, it denotes an action, right? Judge is a person, now it is a noun, and when you add the suffix meant, it becomes a verb. What is the meaning for judgment? It is an action. So when you add meant to a word, it denotes the name of an action. Here, treat. When you add the suffix meant, it denotes an action, right? So treatment is an action. Giving treatment is an action. Got it? So when you add suffix to a word, it gives different meaning. Got it? Now let us do some exercises. Join the words and write the new word. Dance, entertain, fear. When you add the word, dance is a word. When you add the suffix er, it becomes as dancer. Entertainment. Entertainment. So when you add the suffix ment, it becomes as entertainment. Write it entertainment. The next word is fear plus full. When you add the suffix full, it becomes as fearful. Form new words with appropriate suffixes. Okay, peace. Peace is a word. Which suffix you can add? There is no word called as peace. Peaceful is the correct word. So write peaceful here. Pray. Pray less. It doesn't give any meaning. So prayer is the correct word. Prayer. Peaceful, prayer. The next word is rest, and they given two suffixes, meant and less. Rest meant. It is not a correct word. Restless. Restless is the correct word. So write here. Govern. Governful, government. There is no word called as governful. So the correct word is government. So write government here. Add appropriate suffix to each word with the clues given. Students, they have given some clues, and with this clues you have to make a word, and they have given the words and the suffixes. First, make something better. When you make something better, it means you are developing something into something. Okay, so make something better. Develop. The word that fits this meaning is develop. So developful, development, developer, developless. Which word gives a meaning? Development gives the meaning. So development. Make something better means development. A person who teaches. Teacher, you know the word, right? Teacher. Who teaches the lesson? Teacher teaches the lesson. So teacher. Very pretty. Very pretty means beautiful. Having no money means Money means penny, having no money means penniless. Got it? Development, teacher, beautiful, penniless. Students, complete the book activity, and for today's homework you will learn what is a suffix and the examples. Okay, thank you students.